Hello everybody, welcome back to the Nibiru channel. It is January 29th, 2017. This morning I received another email from our astronomer friend who sent us a very passionate email the other day along with some photographs, and he's going to start detailing his research on the Nemesis solar system, Planet X. The following photographs going across your screen, he states that these were taken 1 year ago. And this photograph was taken as this planet was closest to the sun. He further states in the email that when the planet is closest to the sun, it seems to heat up and it starts to emit some type of massive gas cloud that surrounds the entire planet. He further states in the email that this red planet, as he refers to it, is larger than the planet Earth. It seems to have a very fast rotation, as he states in his email. The following photographs were taken 9 months ago, and after these photographs, we're going to see a small excerpt of video that he captured through his high-powered telescope. Now, I've reviewed all of this information, and I'm just going to have to say that it's quite breathtaking to see this object for the first time through a telescope. He further states in the email that if I'm wondering why the video seems to be kind of wavy, almost liquefied, it's part of how space is. So further reading into his email, I think he's trying to simplify things for me, which I'm going to have to return this email with a thank you. But as you can clearly see, it's a red planet. When I was viewing this footage earlier this morning, it was rather breathtaking, confusing, and now, for the first time, very clear evidence is appearing. He also states in this email that several weeks after he was able to image this planet that he refers to as Nibiru, he was able to visualize and capture footage through his telescope of a blue planet. He states in the email that the blue planet seems to be what he's referring to as a very large gas giant. He states that this planet would be similar to the planet Jupiter in our solar system. He apologized that the still photographs were a little blurry, but he stated that this planet has so much going on around it. It seemed that it had a massive gas formation that encompassed the whole entire planet. He further stated that the colors that were coming from the planet were absolutely spectacular, amazing to see live through the telescope. I have viewed all of this footage myself, and I would have to agree with him at this time. It definitely looks spectacular. The colors are just absolutely amazing. His last statement in this email pertained to trying to locate this small system within our broad solar system. He further states because of the acute angle of the orbits of these planets and the constant motion makes it very difficult to try and track these objects. He does state that these objects do exist. They are in our solar system, and there are a lot of people in very high places that do know this is happening, this system exists, and they have known about this for a very, very long time. He left me a small footnote in this email stating that the next communication that we have, he is going to explain the increase in near-Earth objects, meteors, asteroids that have increased since this system has come into our solar system. He basically states that it's just a matter of time before the Earth does have a critical impact. His last words in this email were very plain and simple. He states, "Mr. Scott, don't fear what is about to happen. Try to embrace it like I have." And with that said, I'd like to thank all of our Nibiru watchers. You guys do a fantastic job. Would also like to thank you for your loyal subscribership. You can continue to email your photographs and your video to NibiruPlanetX2016@gmail.com. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family members on Facebook. And subscribe to the Nibiru channel for all of our current updates. And like I always say, keep an eye in the sky.